What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you guys a press and hands puller for a wristwatch to press the hands on, pull them off. It was $16.99, and yeah, there's some bad reviews on it, and I think they're full of shit. This little press is very tiny, and it has some nice action to it. No slop. And in spite of what people are saying that these little things push in, they don't. This is actually screwed on, and yes, if you take a look at that, it's not perfectly true, but you can take a little X-Acto knife and just nip that, or take some wet dry sandpaper and sand that down. There's a little rough edges like, you know, you would get in a model kit, but trim it off with an X-Acto knife. Very nice action. The other thing they're complaining about is this little tool here that removes the hands. Right here, these parts they're complaining are rough. Well, take some 1000 grit wet dry sandpaper, sand it down, and that's that. A little tip: take a sandwich bag, a Ziploc one, cut a little piece, little square piece, put a slit in it, and slide it under the face of the watch, and then slide this under the hands. And then what you do is you squeeze these two things, and you can see this center plunger. As you squeeze, that pushes down against the spindle, and then these parts are under the hands, and it just pops the hands off. Now, to get this out, all you simply do is you unscrew that. Once that's unscrewed, you pull that out if you want, and you can use this, you know, if you don't want to use the press, you can press the hands on the watch like that. But you get 10 different size plastic tips here, and each one has holes in it to fit different spindle sizes that hold your hour, minute, and sweeping hands. For $15.90 or $16.99. So I'll leave the link in the description. If you're in the market for it, don't be afraid to get it. Don't listen to the bad reviews. Great for a DIYer.